Never miss a hot deal again by mastering Propstream's powerful notification system. The first step to setting up property alerts in Propstream is to navigate to the Alerts section. You'll typically find this prominently displayed on your main dashboard, or within the navigation menu, click on it to access the alert configuration screen. Once you're in the Alerts section, look for an option to create a new alert. This is usually a button labeled Create New Alert, Add Alert, or something similar. Click this button to begin building your custom notification. Now comes the crucial part, defining the criteria for your alerts. This is where you tell Propstream exactly what you're looking for. Start by specifying the location. You can enter zip codes, cities, or even draw custom search areas on a map. Next, refine your search by property type: single-family homes, condos, multifamily, and so on. You can further narrow down your criteria by adding filters like the minimum number of bedrooms and bathrooms, desired square footage, or even specific keywords if you're tracking certain types of properties. For example, if you only want to be notified about distressed properties, you might add relevant keywords here. Once you've entered all your desired search parameters, you'll need to save your alert. Look for a Save Alert or Create Alert button at the bottom of the screen. Give your alert a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, such as downtown condos below 500K or fixer-uppers in suburbia. After saving, your new alert will appear in your alerts dashboard. Propstream will now automatically monitor the market based on your criteria. You'll receive notifications for new listings that match, as well as any significant changes to existing properties within your saved search, like price reductions or status updates. These timely notifications are invaluable for staying ahead of the curve, whether you're looking for investment opportunities, your next flip, or a specific type of home for a client. Setting up these alerts will ensure you're the first to know, giving you a significant competitive advantage in today's fast-paced real estate market.